How to increase a number by a percentage in Excel. So if you want to increase a number by a percentage in Excel, then first you need to open up your Excel workbook. Once you open up your Excel workbook, you just need simply go with your values. So I'll just simply enter a random values. Once you added your values, now if you want to increase the value by percentage, like for example, you need to enter a formula which is equals to, and then select the cell. In my case, it's B2, and after that, multiply by, for example, I'll take 130, which means I want to increase this by 30%. Enter the percentage sign and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, then it will be increased by 30%. Now, if you want all of the other answers to these, then you just need simply go with the bottom right, and here you will have a dot, right? Once you go with the bottom right, you will have a plus shaped icon. You can either double click, or you can drag that, or you can also just copy and paste. You can just copy the cell and then paste. That's it. That's how you can increase a number by a percentage in Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.